Hello everyone, I am Farhan and today I'll be explaining how to use Vox Cleaner, the single-click voxel model cleaner add-on that I made for Blender. I'll be showing you how to export Magica voxel models and how to install and use my add-on in Blender 2.93. Let's go. Here I am in Magica voxel and this cute little bunny model is the model I wish to clean. In the Export tab, Magica voxel provides three primary export options. There's OBJ, there's PLY, and there is Marching Cubes, that is MC. For demonstration purposes, I'll export the same model in all of the three different formats. We'll see why in a minute. I'll select OBJ, select the destination folder, I'll rename the OBJ export to OBJ and I'll save. Same thing with the PLY, I'll rename the PLY model as PLY. And same with the MC, I'll rename this one as MC and save. Now we jump into File Explorer and in the export section we can see all our models are properly exported. We open the Marching Cubes model, you can see the edges are beveled. We can open the PLY model, it's as usual, and we can open the OBJ model and it is tilted as always. Notice the fact that Marching Cubes and PLY both have the same extension, that is PLY. We'll see why in a minute. Now in Blender, let's try and import our models. Go to File, Import, and find PLY there. In the destination folder, we can see MC and PLY properly named. You can select both and press Import. As you can see, both the models are imported, but they are in the same place. I'll just move them apart and we can import OBJ the same way, but this time select OBJ, select the model, and then press import. I'll move it apart as well. For clarity's sake, I'll just add text in front of each of the bunnies denoting their export mode. With that done, we can start installing the add-on. Go to Edit, Preferences, and in the add-ons section, select Install. Now locate the py file that you got and double click it to install. Click the checkbox to enable it. Congrats, your add-on is activated. Now you can press N and in the Items tab, you can find the Vox Cleaner panel. We can start cleaning now, but there's a slight problem. When you enter Look Dev mode, you'll notice that MC and the PLY models don't have any textures. This is because PLY meshes have all the color data stored in individual vertices, something that Blender refers to as vertex colors. To get the materials on PLY meshes, simply select the models, press N to pop out the add-on bar. I'll collapse the transform panel here and press apply vertex colors. Boom, we have the materials done. Now we can get to cleaning. Before cleaning, let's have a view at the wireframe of the models. You can see they're pretty dense. Going into Look Dev view, we can select the model, pop out the N panel, and we can simply select the resolution. I'll go with 2048 for this one. Keep the color as is. And in the lazy clean section, I'll press clean model. It'll take some time and boom, we have the model cleaned. You can see the geometry, it is much more cleaner now. I'll clean the second model as well. Also notice the fact that the original model is left untouched, whereas a duplicate is created and that model is cleaned. I'll clean the third model as well. And we have all the models cleaned. Going into wireframe view, you can see the models are cleaned. Now that you're up with the basics, let's see how can we have much more control over the process. I've gone ahead and opened a new PLY file of this dino that I wish to clean. Select the 3-step process and now you can clean the model in a more controlled way. This is helpful when your model is pretty detailed and you want to really push the optimization to the max. So let's get cleaning. As usual, apply the vertex colors. Set a resolution for your model. I'll go with 2048 this time as well. I'll keep the color as is and press prepare for UV. This will clean the geometry and add a new material with a new specified image texture setup. The geometry is clean, but as you can see, there is some weird geometry left. I'll just clean it manually. With that done, now I can add a custom UV layer to my model. You can add your own custom layers, but I'll just go with Smart UV project. I got it done. Now with the UVs done, I'll just press bake and tada, the model is clean and it has a great geometry. And that's all for this video, folks. Hope you enjoyed. If you face any bugs or issues, feel free to DM me and I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Also, please tag me if you auto clean something using Vox Cleaner and I'll be glad to check it out. Have fun and cheers!